I'm not playing Kutsinhira. This is my creation. Let's see. Then this other one, this other one I learned it.
Was this one you said you learnt in Mondoro?
I learned in this one. I've been playing this time, and this.
Both you learnt both of those in Mondoro?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how old were you then? Is this when you were younger?
I was young. Yes, I was still young. I was
around 14?
around 14, 15 now. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.